Are you looking for an easy way to earn passive income online? What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an app or a website that will pay you to perform a simple task like sharing your unused internet. You may have heard of several platforms or several apps or websites that will pay you to perform this particular task. I'll be sharing with you an app to earn a little bit of money sharing your unused internet. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, ensure you stick around to the end of this video to find out more about this website or this app and how it works. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinenwa Violet. On this channel, I share informations on different ways of making money online. So for more content, please join the family by subscribing to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, which is every Wednesdays. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So without further ado, I'm going to take you to my laptop screen to show you this website and get you started. Now let's go to my screen. Honeygain is a website that will pay you to simply share your internet. All right, you earn passive income effortlessly. Like there is no effort required, no work required. All you need to do is just to share your internet. All right, now to sign up with Honeygain and start making money, start earning passive income, you can use the link in the description to sign up, and we use that link, you will earn $5 bonus in your Honeygain account, and you can withdraw your money once it gets to $20 because the minimum withdrawal threshold is $20. All right, now in Honeygain you can see over here that in Trustpilot that Honeygain is rated almost 5 stars. All right, this shows that it is legit and they do really pay out. And you might be asking yourself, what is Honeygain actually doing with my internet connection? Now let's see what they have to say here. Okay, know exactly what your internet is used for. So once you start using Honeygain, your devices act like view towers and help world famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. This is what they use your internet connection for. All right, another reason why they are using your internet connection is that they use your internet connection to collect bits of informations, all right, that are available publicly. This information collected by Honeygain are used by credible companies for web statistics, price comparison, and other business processes. Any more money with Honeygain depends on the number of traffic you are willing to share, all right, to the Honeygain platform or network. All right, let's see over here the earning estimate. Now you can see here they said your earning directly depends on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more you earn. Like you can see over here, the maximum IP you can share on Honeygain is 10 IPs. All right, 10 IPs, not more than 10 IPs. So let's say you are sharing, you have different devices connected to Honeygain, and you have in these devices you have 10 IPs, 10 different IPs connected to Honeygain. You are going to earn $181 per month. Okay, $181 per month for just sharing your internet. Okay, this is only if you are connected to 10 IPs. All right, this is per month. Imagine what $181 per month every month will do for you if you keep sharing your internet. Like if you keep sharing this internet every single month, imagine what this $181 will do for you. This is a passive income, right? Now, there are factors that will influence how much you earn with Honeygain. Your location is one of the factors, okay? Where you reside, where you're sharing your internet connection, all right? It might affect or it will affect your earning, the amount of money you can earn with Honeygain. And then the next one is the number of IP addresses. Connecting one device to Honeygain network, your earning will definitely be less, all right? And another factor that will influence your earning is the network speed. For you to earn more on Honeygain, you have to ensure that your network connection is fast and is active. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. So once you sign up, okay, you are going to have $5 deposited into your dashboard. You can see over here, I have $5, and to cash out, I need to earn $20. All right. You need to earn a minimum of 20, you need to have a minimum of $20 to cash out from your account. And you can cash out using PayPal or cryptocurrency. There are other ways you can earn money with honeygain. All right. You download the honeygain app to your device, you install and you open the app, and then you log in using the same credentials, and then you connect your device to your internet and leave it to run, and you start earning some points. Okay, you will earn some points. 5,000 points equals $5, and 10,000 points equals $10. So for you to cash out, again, you need $20 to minimum of $20 to cash out. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and I would like to hear from you in the comment section if you are currently using this app. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you. Bye.